Namaskar, dear students. Prayers to Ma Sharda. We are studying second chapter, electrostatic potential and capacitance. We will discuss three more theories today. Okay, the first one is potential energy of a single charge in external electric field. That means there is already electric field is existing, and we want to put a single charge in that field that we already discussed earlier. Okay, we know that to bring a unit positive charge from infinity to a given point at constant speed against electric field is called electrostatic potential at that point. So we know that V equals to W by Q. Whatever work we do, that is called the electrostatic potential. So W can be written as QV. Now this work will be stored in that. Actually it is stored in system, but we call it as stored in that charge. Okay, so that is U. Now if I want to show the position of that point with respect to origin, we can say vector small r. Okay, so this can be written as U at vector small r equals to Q into V at vector small r. Okay, this is just revision. I think we already studied this. Now we are discussing a new unit of energy. It is widely used in nuclear physics. That is called electron volt. Okay, name itself suggests the definition. Okay, see, if an electron according through means passing completely through a potential difference of 1 volt, the difference in potential or kinetic energy, see, both can be converted into each other. Okay, either kinetic to potential or potential to kinetic. We can use any. Okay, so again, if an electron according through a potential difference of 1 volt, okay, the difference in potential or kinetic energy of an electron, that electron, okay, is known as electron volt, EV, electron volt. Okay, now let us find its value in terms of joule. Okay, see, we know that W equals to Q into delta we have written here, because here we have used potential difference. So in place of V, I have replaced it by delta V. So Q into delta V. Q is charge of one electron, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 magnitude. Okay, and delta V is 1 volt. We know that volt equals to joule per coulomb. Okay. So W will be equal to Q is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. V is 1 joule per coulomb. So coulomb will be cancelled. So it is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. Okay. If you want to have 1 milli electron volt, milli means 10 raised to minus 3. In that case, it will be 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 22 joule. 1 kilo electron volt, we know that kilo equals to 10 raised to 3. So it will be 1.6 into minus 19 plus 3, that is minus 16 joule. And 1 million or say mega electron volt, that is 10 raised to 6 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. So it will be 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 13 joule. Okay. Similarly, we can get 1 giga electron volt, 1 tera electron volt. Okay. Now this is potential energy of a system of two charges in external electric field. This was energy of single charge. This is of two charges, a system of two charges. Okay. So these are two charges, Q1 and Q2. Okay, there is already electric field is existing. Okay, and I want to bring charge Q1 from infinity to this point. Okay, which is located at position vector small r1 with respect to O. So if potential here due to that electric field already existing is V1, in that case the work done is called Q1 V1. Okay. Now I want to bring another charge Q2 from infinity to another point which is located at position vector R2. Okay, from infinity. Okay, and so work done is called Q2 V2 according to this. Okay, now these two charges will form a system, and they will have interaction. So they will have energy. That is, we know that k q1 q2 upon this distance. If I say this vector is vector r12, the distance is called r12 magnitude or say small r. In that case, the potential energy due to these two charges will be equal to k q1 q2 upon r12 or say k q1 q2 upon small r. So total potential energy of the system. Here see V1 is voltage at or potential at R1 and V2 is potential at R2. Due to that external field already existing that we have not shown here. Okay. So total potential energy of the system U will be equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3. That will be equal to Q1 into VR1 plus Q2 into VR2 plus K Q1 Q2 upon R1. Okay. Prepare well. Bye.